Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you a highly customizable stock launcher for your Android devices. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store. On the Play Store, you need to choose for one applications, that is CPL. On opening this first time, you install it. As I've already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. So you install it. Once the installation is done, click open. As I'm already using this launcher, so you can see it's almost looks like the Pixel launcher. So here you can get the app drawer. Even on the left side you will get the Google Feeds, which is very useful at a time if you want to read the news. So why I'm saying it's highly customizable stock launchers, so you can see once you tap in on the home screen, you go to the launcher settings. There you can customize various options, even the themes, even the icon packs. I'll be posting these icon packs video descriptions, so you can download it from there. So if you like the icon packs, you can download from the link given below in the video descriptions. So why I like this launchers a lot, so there's a lots of options. It's not just a simple stock launchers, but there's a lots of customizations that you will love it really. That means you can customize everything, even your dogs, that is the dog bar. As you can see here, let me show you. As you can see here, the transparent white background, that is a blue type transparent background. Even if you don't like this kind of rounded size, I'm saying about these things, so you can make it totally transparent too, and you can add different colors depending upon your needs also. So it's totally a stock looking Android launchers that you should definitely try it out by yourself. In my opinion, it's one of the best stock launchers out there in the Play Store, which is highly customizable. If you love customizing a lot in the launchers, so this is the right Android stock launchers looking for you. So you try it out by yourself, and it's totally free. There is no ads even on this launcher, so don't worry, try it out by yourself. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.